Hello, hello. I am Alicia Richard, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a series of hairstyles that include about 6 bobby pins or less. So, if you are a busy mom and your schedule does not permit you to have time to do your hair, this is the video for you, and make sure that you comment, like, and share with someone who you know that can benefit from these styles. So, with the first thing that I am going to do is I personally like to mist my hair with water. I feel like my hair doesn't do what it should do unless I mist my hair, and it really just kind of falls into place. And plus, my hair does not retain a lot of moisture. So, I like to just mist my hair before I style it because it really just helps with like everything. So, this is my own personal preference. The next thing that I am going to do is go ahead and I am literally just like putting all of my hair to the side. Now, I finger comb my hair. I know that there are a lot of things out there and tools out there that you could use with your locks, but I like to use the finger combing method, and really just to make sure that all of my hair is like down and that it is in place before I begin to style. Now, the thing about my hair is I'm literally just like rolling it over, almost like just like a little mini bun. And when I am doing that bun, I am making sure that I am folding my hair over so that none of it can overlap. And I am using, this is my first bobby pin here. I also like to make sure that my locks are somewhat straight too. Like, none of my styles are ever like perfect, but I do like to make sure that it's kind of in a little formality because I hate perfection. Like, nothing is ever perfect. So I love this style where I'm just putting like all of my hair all on one side, and there it is. So this is my first style, y'all. This is my go-to style all of the time. I'm really like looking at my watch to make sure that I'm getting the angles like really good and that I'm in the center. But anyway, I like this style. As I do that, I make sure that I pull like the individual parts of my hair like accordingly, because in the top, I really just like to make sure that my hair is in place. Then I would use an additional bobby pin to kind of just pin those additional pieces of hair down. So this is the first style. Again, it is all on one side, and oh my gosh, do I love this style. Again, to kind of just make it look a little cleaner, what I would do is just like pin those additional strands that tend to do its own thing. But here is the style. Here is the back where it's literally rolled like all to one side, and I love this hair, y'all. Like, this literally took me all of like 2 minutes, no more than 3. All right, so let's get into the next style. With this style, again, I am kind of just finger combing my hair. That's what you have to do with all of the styles. Really just finger comb your hair to get it in the right position. Now, this style, what I did was I took like the right side of my hair, and I did the same method as the first video, and I folded my hair over, or created like a mini bun. I'll just call it like a bun because I don't know what else to call it. But it's literally like one side, just one side folded over. And then I did the same thing with the left side. I literally just grabbed like 10 or 12 or maybe 15 locks, and I rolled it over, like literally roll over, and I created another bun. And again, I use the jumbo locks though, with the type of, not the jumbo locks. I use the jumbo bobby pins with my hair because I just feel like the jumbo open bobby pins are best for locks. So I enjoy this hairstyle as well. So literally it's like one little bun on the left, one little bun on the right, and girl, you got a whole new hairdo, like new person, who is this? So I really enjoy these simple hairstyles. I do have some more that is coming up. You don't want to miss like the rest of them, but again, like, it's so simple, y'all. It's like one pin on the left, one pin on the right, and girl, you got a whole style. And these styles actually work for like any length of hair. So your hair does not have to be long or medium length. Your hair could be any length for these styles because they they are so convenient and they work because I done it on different lengths of hair, some of these same styles. Now hold up, because now my baby decides that he wants to yell and come in. So I got the middle son bringing the baby son, because sometimes my baby like to just be with his mama. So this happens in real time. So yeah, so now I have my youngest son, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do here, because he's like a Velcro baby sometimes, and I just have to decide what I'm going to do so I can finish doing my hair. So y'all know who my co-star is, because sometimes he's in a lot of my videos. So here's my co-star baby boy, Miles. So all right, so for this one, I am parting my hair again on the right side, finger parting my hair for everything. That is the good thing about locks as well. Like, you don't need like any combs. I know they do have lock combs, but I mean, you really don't, in my opinion, you really don't need them. So y'all, this style, I do this style all the time. And if I could do like different variations of this style, oh my gosh, this is my true go-to style. Now, what I did was literally, like, this didn't even need no pin, as a matter of fact, because I was like, oh, this is legit a style. So you just like part your hair on one side, and then you have a style here. So here it is from the sides, and then there is from the back. But this is a style. Now I really do like to wear my hair like this, where it's literally just a part and that's it. However, I am going to add some bobby pins, and what I do like to do is just roll my hair in the front. I do this style when I like to dress up, or when I'm going to church, or really like on my job, like when I'm just like doing different things and I really don't feel like doing like a braid out, or like rollers or anything. I love this style. So it is very easy, and I only use like maybe 3 or 4 open bobby pins for this style. And then all you have to do is just like make sure that your hair is in place, because for me, there's always like these little strands that just want to just pop up every now and then. But this style is like my number one go-to style all of the time. I've even done a different tutorial about this. Like, this hairstyle never grows old to me. So this one is my signature style. I would say, like, I love this style. And again, that's the side, and then here is the back, or at least the sides of my hair, and here is like, like the top of my hair. All right, so we have this other style. All right, the next style is, so of course I'm taking my hair down so I can show y'all all of these different styles. So I legit like parted my locks like right down in the middle. I like this style too, because it gives me like it reminds me of like a older style, like a more mature style. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like this style a lot. So all I'm doing is making like literally a bigger bun, like on the left side, and I'm just repeatedly rolling my hair over, adding those bobby pins where it's needed. And again, I am still using like the 6 bobby pins or less. Like, these are like 3 or 4 bobby pin styles, to be honest. So what I'm doing is like just rolling my hair over on each side and continuing to roll my hair, like just continuing to roll over it and getting a bobby pin when needed. And then all I'm gonna do is just you can leave your hair like this if you choose to, but all I'm doing is grabbing like one of those like little scrunchies or whatever, or hair ties, and I'm just tying my hair up. And this right here is an additional style. Now, I do like this style. Now, what you would have to do is, I didn't have any mirror in front of me, but just make sure that when you do this style that it's kind of even on both sides, because you don't want one side of your hair to be like tilting like out more than the other side. However, though, this style is really, really simple, and I really, really, really like this style as well. So I'll try to do this style a little bit more. All right, so my next style, again, my hair is like all the way down. So with this one, what I like to do is just take the middle parts of my hair, and with the middle parts of my hair, I'm doing at least like a little bit over, like from my hairline for the most part. And all I'm doing is grabbing that middle part and kind of just like making sure that like my hair is even or stretched out a lot, because if your hair isn't stretched out, then it'll have like some gaps and or some openings. And I am doing, again, like twisting and rolling my hair over one more time. Now, with this being a top bun, the other styles were like side buns or side whatever, but this one is on the top. I like this style too. Now, one of the things that I like about this style, however, I do have like a huge skull, but I do like this style because, of course, it adds like volume up on top. So I really do like this style. Now, I didn't get this style to the perfection, like to the T to the T. However, you still do get the concepts of this style is having it up on top, and again, like it's kind of just rolled over. Now, if you really want to add like a little extra sophistication to this hair, girl, all you gotta do is just like start like putting it in a ponytail in the back, and that's what I'm doing, like about to add the ponytail to the back. So again, I'm finger combing my hair, and then we about to have a ponytail to the back, boo boo. Okay, so with this style again, I grabbed my scrunchie, and here we are. Like, we are just going to put the hair, or my hair, my hair into a ponytail right in the back. So as you are doing this ponytail, I don't like for my hair to be like as tight because I don't want to pull on my edges too much. So just make sure that as you are doing your ponytails and stuff with your locks, that it's not pulling on your hair too much. But here's the style, y'all. I just noticed I got a lot of BBs in the front, BBs on the side, BBs in the back. Y'all, look at this right here. Look at this. Oh, so my baby, he decided that he wanted to join me because he started mixing up a little bit. So one of the things he does, he's a Velcro baby, so we enjoy spending time together and we really have a good time. What he does like to do though is like grab my earrings, because of course, you know, that's what babies do. They want to grab your earrings, they want to pull on you. So that's one of the reasons why I don't wear like a lot of necklaces and all that extra jewelry, because I'm fighting with him. If he's not grabbing my earrings, then he's grabbing my hair. So anyway, thank you so much for viewing this video. And here it is, y'all. Here it is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Check this out. I noticed that my earrings actually match with his t-shirt that he has on. So listen to this. He has like football things on his shirt. Y'all see the football? Yeah. Footballs on his shirt. Footballs on his shirt. So we're matching. You're matching with mommy. Yay. It wasn't planned. It literally just happened. So, yay, you matching with mommy. Okay. So, yeah. So, those are the simple styles that some of my most familiar styles actually that I wear a lot of times. But I just wanted to make sure that I recorded a video so that y'all could see, like, most of those styles were literally like 2 bobby pins, maybe 3, but I didn't even think that I used all 5 bobby pins. So again, it really just depends on your hair and how long your hair is, and that will determine how many bobby pins you need. Again, use however many pins that you need. But for me, I mean, I love all of the styles that are in this video. So I hope that you could use them, and I will look forward to talking to you all soon. Bye bye. Tell them bye. Say bye. Okay, bye.